to another important conversation. Earlier in the show, we talked about healthy food, especially for the children. And I'm here looking at this table. I'm like, oh, this is the kind of breakfast that I want to just pack up and run home with to my children this morning. So take a look. Our next guest is Dr. Cecily Burton. She is a medical doctor, but now she has opened a business, and it was published in the Gleaner. I think it was May 23. This is where we found out about you and a smoother you, Doc, and we decided to bring you on the show to speak to you about your business. I also would like to acknowledge Tanisha Brown, chef of a smoother you. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good to see you. Doc, you're a ton restaurateur, is that how you say it?
Well,
Restaurateur.
I hear you're one yourself, so you should be very familiar with the pronunciation.
It's a lot of work, but I want you to start and tell me, a medical doctor deciding, are you still practicing?
Yes.
But this is another entrepreneurial
Lots of medical
adventure.
doctors have other entrepreneurial ventures besides their own offices, which are also entrepreneurial ventures. So
Tell us about a smoothie you.
Well, I had some space upstairs, and I've always wanted to start a restaurant. I'm health conscious.
Yes.
A lot of my patients are health conscious, and I couldn't really justifiably go and, start doing fried chicken and rice and peas upstairs. So
This is upstairs, your office?
Yes, right. So I decided to start with smoothies, and then we added some items like wraps and pastas and salads. Mm-hmm. And we have breakfast items such as pancakes and omelets and our sweet potato waffles, which we have here this morning to make for you.
I see Chef Tanisha getting busy over there. Yeah. Chef Tanisha, you're working on the sweet potato waffles?
Yes.
All right, how do you make those?
So we're going to add some coconut milk
Coconut milk?
or almond milk, any one of your choice.
Yes.
Then flour, oats. Then the sweet
And about 2
potato.
cups of the sweet potato, which has previously been cubed and boiled.
Yes. So cube the sweet potato, boil it, my people.
Yeah.
About 2 cups, you say?
Yeah.
All right. Almond
So-
milk, oats.
Right, and we're adding our own blend of spices, which include orange zest, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla. Yeah.
Nice.
It's still a waffle after all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, creative in the kitchen. This is exciting, Chef. You're going to blend
so
it
just
up?
gonna blend
Yes,
it
I'm
up.
just going to blend now. Liquid. Thank you.
What you putting in there, Doc? What's your potion?
That's milk. That's almond milk, actually. You can use almond milk. You can use coconut milk. You can use, any type of nut milk.
Right.
Right. Or you can use omega milk or any milk. Yeah.
Okay, so while the chef is blending that up, I have to ask you, is it that you went and looked at the issues with eating? We hear it every day, Ministry of Health, everybody's talking about it. We're not eating the right food.
Right.
And it leads to other complications. Which
Right.
you could
So people
enlighten us
have weight management issues. You explain to them that, cutting down your carbs, increasing your proteins, increasing your fruits and vegetables, looking at your portions on your plate, and it's just, but Doc, I'm going hungry. So, I think the onus is on people like me or restaurants like this to provide meals that are filling, tasty. Nobody wants to eat cardboard. That's a fair, Go on a diet, I'm going to eat cardboard. I'm not going to eat something that I cannot eat for the rest of my life.
Yes.
So you have to think about sustainability.
Okay. So we have some sweet potato waffles. What would you put with it?
Okay.
See, the chef has already
Right.
prepared some here. So let's go there.
So for example, one of these waffles would be about 210 calories, right? About 9 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber, right? So, you can put various bits of fruit on it. And so,
Yummy.
yeah. fruit has been waiting on the show, so it may not look a little bit too.
No, this looks so good. I know Chef Tanisha is. Give us a minute, Chef Tanisha. I know you're blending up to feed the entire crew, but we do have 3 here. I just want to go through them for a minute. So this looks so colorful. Go again. 200 and something.
210 calories for just the waffle itself, not the fruits I'm adding.
Calories. And then we add the fruits on top.
Yeah.
And the nutritional value now in total would be.
Okay, well, the fruits, depending on the glycemic, the sweetness of the fruits, it's not going to add much calories, right? Like the strawberries here, very few calories in a cup of strawberries have about 30 calories, and this is like 1/8 of a cup.
Yes, yes.
So you can be creative and add what you want to add. This is papaya, right?
I want to be at home with the kids, Doc.
Yeah.
This looks so yummy.
If you want, I'm just adding pineapple, right?
This is so appealing.
If you want chocolate chips, I
Yeah.
have chocolate chips, yay!
I hear a little chocolate is good for you, right? A
Yeah,
little dark chocolate.
dark chocolate is good for you. It actually has a lot of good phytonutrients. It's good for you.
So you mentioned earlier upstairs.
Yeah.
And I want you to give me the address, and then I want to go over to the smoothies that we can get
Well, the
upstairs.
post office address is shop number 3, 6 Halfway Tree Road, but there are no numbers.
I hear
Crossroads.
you.
So it's in Union Square Crossroads, opposite the drugstore pharmacy.
Yes.
And then you just go in the medical center, and the medical center is upstairs, downstairs. You
Yeah.
just go upstairs.
All right. Now you also offer smoothies.
Right. Okay. So
What you got, Chef?
So this is mango papaya. Yes. And we pour the almond milk in there and the nutmeg to spice it up. Yes. So we're going to blend now.
Go on, lady.
So our
All right. Yes. Done.
I try to make the smoothies like undiluted taste.
Yes.
So we have, no ice, freshly frozen fruit or vegetables, Greek yogurt, and nut milks or omega milk or.
Okay.
Right.
All right. So, how much are one of these smoothies now? When we come in, give us a price because we
Okay,
want to
so
know how
if
much
you-
money to bring.
So we encourage recycling. So you come with our little labeled mason jar. We have our labeled mason jar, which you get for a hugely discounted price,
Yes.
like $50.
Yes.
As long as you bring back that mason jar, and you can refill for a 20% discount each time. So right now, our starting smoothie price is $600 for most of them.
Okay.
So you pay $650 with
Yes.
the mason jar. When you come back with that mason jar, that smoothie would be $480.
Well, I can't do a cooking show and not taste the fruit.
No, you
So
can't.
let me start with the smoothie.
Yeah, so that's your mug.
That's my mug?
Yes,
Oh
your
my
mug.
goodness, thank you. Chef, come, let me taste it. And I don't drink cow's milk, Are we the only people that drink other people's milk? I'd rather have the almond. I'm just wondering. Yeah,
So
almond milk.
what are you saying then? You drink human breast milk?
I drink human breast milk.
Okay.
When I was younger.
Yeah.
I just, hold on. Jamaica, look for me good. A Smoothie You. Owner Dr. Cecily Burton and Chef Tanisha Brown have delivered this morning the best smoothie ever. And I'm not really hyping up the thing. It tastes good. It's smooth. It's all natural. So go and support her. The address one more time.
In Union Square Crossroads, opposite the drugstore pharmacy. Everybody seems to know the drugstore pharmacy, so that's my reference point.
All right. So we'll see you there, Doc, after we have an appointment with you. We'll go up and join Tanisha. Thank you for my mug. And now, my people, look at that food from a Smoothie You. Look at that. Omelets galore. Smoothies and soups and
pepper
pastas.
pots. You have to come and taste our pepper pots.
Oh, pepper pot for your
Some of our
belly.
smoothies there, yeah.
Me see everything. It looks so good. I'll see you there with my kids.
Okay.
The whole entourage.
Yes, looking forward to it.
All right.